Hello friends. In this video, I'm going to talk about the one of the most important IPOs, the upcoming IPOs. So you know that IPOs are good to be invest, and every person should invest in IPO if the company is profitable. And so let's see. So the IPO which I'm going to talk about is the Netweb Technology India Limited. And as you can see on the screen, currently I have opened the current IPO main book, in which there is so many names of the IPO, so many companies. Some of them are already closed, so you cannot apply for those IPOs. And the company which I'm talking about is at the top, Netweb Technology India Limited. So this is the upcoming IPO, as you can see in the status written upcoming. So this you can apply for this IPO from July 9th, 17th. You can start applying for this IPO on this date, and it is going to be closed on July 19th. So there is like in this particular period, you have to apply for this IPO. And if I move further, then there is in the IPO review. It means in the several website, you can see the IPO review in which the analysts, the specialists who are very good in these things, they recommend you that whether you should apply for this IPO or not. So there are so many IPOs and this too written, and the IPO which I'm talking about, the Netweb Technology India Limited. So they have recommended that you can may apply for this IPO. It means the profit and loss is not guaranteed. It's never guaranteed in the share market. But the company is good and the company is profitable, which we are going to see in the further in this video. So if I move further, then there isn't much information about the Network Technology India. So this corporation was established in 1999, and Network Technology India Limited provides high-end computing solutions. And if I talk about further about this company, the Network Technologies, HCS Offspring compromises these five things: high-performing computing systems, private cloud hyper-converging infrastructure, ES system, enterprise workstations, high-performing storage solutions, and data center services. So this is the main information about the company. You can also get so many other informations about this company on internet. So you are free to do your own research. And in the further slide, you can see the IPO details. In the IPO detail, there's in first is the IPO date, which I already told you. It is going to be start from July 17th and going to be remain till July 19th. So this is the period in which you can apply for this IPO. So the price of the IPO, the per stock is going to be from 475 rupees to 500 rupees. And the lot size is going to be 30 shares. It means if you can buy one lot, there is going to be 30 shares in that one lot. And the total amount that company wants to generate by subscription of this IPO is almost 631 crore rupees. And this is the total number of shares they want to be get subscribed by the traders, by the stockholders, and by the almost the brokers. So you can say that. So there are many other information about this IPO. I'm not going to explain that all. So you can pause this video and you can read and do your further research in that. So now then there is an IPO timetable. So the opening date is 17th, which I already mentioned, and closing date is 19th. The basis of allotment is going to be 24th July. Like if you apply for this IPO and your shares get allotted to you, so you get that information on for 24th July. And the initiation of refund is going to be on 25th July. Like if you applied and you doesn't get allotted shares, like your share doesn't get allotted to you. So the money that you invested, the lots that you buy, that money is going to be refunded in your bank accounts, or you can say in your demat accounts on 25th July. And the credit of the share to demat, it means if you get allotted the shares and the profit of that is going to be in your demat, going to be settled in your demat till the date of 26th July. And the listing date of the IPO, listing date of the share is 27th July, trust. So this is the timetable of the IPO, that how it's going to be work and everything in detail. And further, you can see the much information about the lot size. So there is the minimum stock, the minimum lot that you can buy is one lot, in which there is going to be 30 shares, and the price of those shares is going to be 15,000 rupees. And the maximum lot that you can buy is 67 lots. And the share in those lots is going to be almost 2010 shares, and the price of those shares is going to be around something like 10 lakh 5,000. So this is the main information about the IPO lot size. And now you can see the company's balance sheet. So there is a total asset, total revenue, profit after tax, net worth, reserves and surplus, and total borrowing. So you can see the month-on-month growth of the company total assets, company total assets, total revenue. Like first, on the 21st, like on the 20th March 31st March 2020, the total asset that company have was 50 crores. And on like year on year, these numbers are increasing, like they are increasing tremendously. So you can see that there is so much growth in the company's total asset, their total revenue, their total profit after tax, their total net worth, their surplus, there was a surplus. So by this balance sheet, you can see that company is profitable company. So you can invest in this company. Most probably you're gonna get profit, but it is not sure that like whether you're going to get profit or not. But company is like is a good company. You can invest in this company. And furthermore, in this chart, you can see the IPO name, the IPO GMP. And the full form of the GMP is the gray market premium. And then there is an IPO price and the listing date. So the IPO which I'm currently talking about is Netweb Technologies. The IPO GMP of that stock is rupees 325 rupees, and the IPO price is going to be 500, like which I already told you, the ratio of the like price on which the stock is going to be open, and the listing gain is going to be 65%. So that's all about my today's video. The information that I want to convey you was mostly about that whether you should apply for this IPO or not. The company is good, the company is profitable, and I think that's the only thing that trader and stockholders should know before applying for their IPO. So thank you.